Hey friend, I know it's been a while, but your girl is back like I never left, okay? Yeah, it's been a lot going on, but for those who may or may not know, me and baby girl, we have moved into our new place finally, and we just decided to pick up the camera again to show y'all these new bar stools that we purchased from Amazon. Y'all know that Amazon be coming through with the furniture for the low, okay? So let me tell you, but we are just going to jump straight into it, okay? So, yeah, let me tell you something. I was so excited when I got the notification letting me know that my package had arrived downstairs, and girl, I ran to the concierge girl with the quickness, okay? So, as you all know, when you purchase things from Amazon, just like IKEA, you're going to have to put that stuff together, honey, okay? So first things first, girl, I had to find the instructions kind of great, but y'all saw me show the instructions. It was the little thank you note, and the instructions was right on the back, and they were so easy to read. And these Barstools actually was so easy to put together. Honestly, it came with a pack of screws and a little Allen wrench. I would just definitely suggest having someone with you to help you put it together. Like, I have my daughter, but you can definitely do this by yourself. As they are super lightweight, okay? These things, I don't know what the weight limit is on this, but they are super lightweight. So use at your own discretion. No, I'm kidding, but they are super sturdy, to be honest. Let me see. So right now, we are just putting things together. As you can see, just putting the poles, I guess that's what you call them, the poles together with the screws and stuff that came in a pack. But y'all, I'm not even going to try to explain to y'all what I did. It's real easy. If you get them, read the instructions, and then you can just watch and see what I'm doing right here.
Call it protecting my heart, hurt disguised as strength, body sabotage my love, sabotage my love, root of my own pain. No one's coming. No.
Okay, so let's get into these product details. So I don't actually know the name of these bar stools because I honestly was just typed in counter height bar stools, and girl, I was just scrolling for days, literally days, trying to find bar stools. But I will go ahead and put the link in the description box below. The size that I got is 26-inch H bar stools, and they did come in packs of 2. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a clip of the Amazon site so that you guys can see the actual webpage that I got them on. And I chose the color taupe, which cost me $137.25. And of course, these you can get these delivered on Amazon Prime, so you can get it next day delivery if you need to. They came in multiple colors, and again, I chose taupe to go with my cream and black color scheme that I have going on in my house. But I do know that these bar stools do ship internationally, so if you order them through Amazon, however, there is an import tax fee, which would vary depending on what country you're in, but that would definitely be added to your cart during your purchase. So if you are an out of the country girly, honey, don't worry, you can still get these bar stools shipped directly to you, okay? Now, I initially thought that these looked a little bit gray when I took them out of the package. I'm not gonna lie. They were looking more gray, but in the daylight, they did look a bit lighter, or did look closer to taupe in the daylight the next day. So maybe with this particular fabric and in the particular lighting, the fabric would look a little bit different or show up a little bit different. But these are soft velvet material, so I would definitely recommend maybe getting a little Scotch Guard or something to put on there so they can stay nice and clean, because you don't want no Cheeto fingers all on your bar stools, okay? But you guys, I am going to go ahead and show you the finishing results, or the finished result, excuse me. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please definitely leave me a comment down below. And also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, okay, darlings? But you all have a wonderful day, and we will see each other very soon.
Disguise as strength.